presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota Camry LE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Toyota has less than 165,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.